Paano kasi ito sagutan? Si Dottie. Dottie.
Hello, Micah. Napatawag ka?
Ano kasi, magtatanong sana ako kung tapos ka na sa assignment natin. Yung about sa atomic structure.
Oo, B. Tapos na.
Ayun, paano mo ginawa?
Yun ba? Madali lang yun. Panoorin mo yung video na isesend ko and then malalaman mo na kung ano yung or paano natin makukuha yung number ng proton, ng number ng neutron at saka ng electron. At saka malalaman mo na rin kung paano gumawa ng atom sa pamamagitan ng simulation na binigay nila dito sa video.
Ay, sige. Thank you.
Okay, welcome! Hello everyone! Nahihirapan ka ba sa assignment mo? Don't worry, we got you covered. For today's lesson, we are going to talk about the atomic structure. But before that, what is an atom? The atom is the fundamental unit of matter. It consists of a central nucleus containing a positively charged protons and neutral neutrons, surrounded by a cloud of a negatively charged electrons. What are its components? Electron cloud region. It is around the nucleus where the electrons orbit. Next is the atomic orbitals. This is the three-dimensional regions where the electrons are most likely to be found in an atom. Next is the electron. It is a negatively charged subatomic particle orbiting the nucleus. Next is we have the neutron-neutral particle. It is the atomic nucleus alongside the protons. Next is the atomic nucleus. It is a positively charged center of the atom containing protons and neutrons. Next and lastly is the proton, which is a positively charged particle in the atomic nucleus.
Symbol Z is a representation of atomic number. It is equal to the number of protons that an atom have. And A symbol is a representation of atomic mass or mass number. It is equivalent to the number of protons and neutrons. This is how we write the mass number and atomic number in a given specific element. We have the mass number in the upper part and atomic number in the lower part of the element, which is the element or symbol of the element is beside it. So, to determine and calculate, we have this equation. The number of protons is equivalent to the number of electrons. It is also equivalent to the atomic number. The neutrons is equivalent to atomic mass minus atomic number. And to determine the mass number, it is equivalent to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons.
To test if you remember the parts of the atom, try to label this. Now, let's reveal the answer. The first one is nucleus, the second one is neutron, the third one is proton, and the fourth one is electron. Now, let us proceed in computing the protons, neutrons, and electrons of the elements by filling up the table. It was said that the number of protons in an element's atom is its atomic number. The same goes for electrons too, since atoms have no electrical charge. By subtracting the atomic number from the atomic mass, you can find the number of neutrons. You should use this information to complete the chart. Example above is neon. The symbol for neon is Ne. The atomic number is 10 and the atomic mass is 20. Since the protons and electrons are equal to the atomic number, the value of protons and electrons is 10. On the other hand, we can find the value of neutrons by subtracting the atomic number from the atomic mass. So, 20 minus 10 is equals to 10. With that, the neutrons is equal to 10.
Now, let us fill this table. Our first element is carbon. Let us find its symbols, number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. And here are our answers for carbon. Next in our table is helium, and the missing blanks are the atomic number, protons, neutrons, and electrons. And here are our answers for helium. Our final element is oxygen. The missing blanks are its symbol, number of protons, and electrons. And here are our answers for oxygen.
For a much better visualization of what an atom looks like, let's try this simulation. Let us recall our discussion. So we say that an atom has three major components. We have the proton, which are positively charged, electron, which are negatively charged, and neutron, which are neutrally charged. Protons and neutrons are located at the center of our atom, or the nucleus, whereas for our electron, it is located at the orbitals, or outside the nucleus. Now that we know their location, let's try to build our atom. So let us have our example, which is carbon. So carbon has an atomic mass of 6. We said that the protons and electrons is equivalent to the atomic number of our element. So let us put 6 protons at our nucleus and 6 electrons in our orbitals. Now, how will we get our neutron? To get the neutron, we must subtract the atomic number from the atomic mass. Carbon's atomic mass is 12. So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6, which means we have 6 neutrons. Now, we have built an atom of carbon.